Hi guys, this is Shashank and welcome back to Excel Academy. In my earlier video, you have seen that how to lock or protect specific cells and ranges in an Excel sheet. But now in this video, we will see how to lock or protect the cells which contain formulas. Because many a times it becomes difficult to protect those cells which contain formulas. But after watching this video, it will not be a difficult task for you. So let's start. First of all, you have to select the whole sheet and press right click, go to format cells. You can see that lock and hidden options are highlighted. Now go back. I will show you the formulas. You can see these cells contain formulas and I want only these columns to be locked. So how to do that? Again, select the whole sheet, press right click, go to format cells, and first of all you have to uncheck these both options. Press OK. Now you can see all those cells which has the formulas has got a green icon at the top left. It means that your formulas are not protected, so we have to protect them. Now again we will go to the option, go to special, select formulas and press OK. Now you will see that all those columns, cells, ranges which has the formula will get highlighted. You can see that all those columns are highlighted now. Now press right click, go to format cells and now check both the options. And now you see the green icon has gone. But still your formulas are not protected. To protect them fully, select the whole sheet, go to review tab and protect it. You can type a password and press OK. Confirm your password. Now you see, this is a cell which has the formula. Now you will get this error. The cell or chart you are trying to change is a protected sheet. Press OK. But this option has a benefit that you can edit other cells as well. Now these cells doesn't contain any formula. Now these cells are editable. You can see I can edit values here, but I cannot edit the values on those cells which has the formulas. So this is how this option works, and if you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you guys, see you soon.